Okay, so in our previous classes, we learned how to launch various kinds of campaigns, right? So some of these campaigns were search campaigns, a video campaign, display campaign, shopping campaign. Okay, so with all these kinds of targeting, you are pretty clear what kind of ad it's going to be. Okay, search, it's pretty clear. The search is something like this. I'm not sure if portals on the internet on the display network. That is display ad, and you all know the shopping ads already, correct? And video ads as well. You all have gone through the video ads as well, correct? Everybody, are you all clear with all these the different kinds of ads? Can you all please acknowledge? Are you all clear with the different types of ads? Can you all hear me, please?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I'm not sure if you are listening to me or not, or if you have turned it on and sat somewhere else. So please respond immediately when I. It has to be interactive. Okay. So now you are all aware of it, right? What is a search ad, what a display ad is, what a shopping ad is, and what a video ad is, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So now, see, of all this, see which campaign that you should be picking, which kind of ad you should be launching, completely depends on your business goal, correct? So majority of the times, most of the times, you will go with the normal search campaign. And display campaign, it's a full marketing activity, and again you might decide how to use it. Okay, so we were discussing we can upload the customer list, and we can show ads to people who have previously interacted with the business, or people who have previously visited our website, right? In those scenarios, the display ads will be super effective. And video ads, generally when you have to play a video across the video platforms, that's when you will be relying on video ads. You know, video ads are going to be highly effective as well. Video ads will be highly effective as well. Okay, because they are representing the brand, the person, or the product or service very impactfully. And that's why video ads are also crucial for the business. Okay, and especially this video ads and display ads are super useful for branding or outreaching activities. When you have to spread about the business, the video ads and the display ads will be super useful, right? And shopping ads and the normal search, the regular search campaigns will be super useful for the lead generations. Okay, so now coming back to our other options, other kinds of campaigns that Google is giving it to you. See, these are the ideal four different types of campaigns that you can launch. Now Google is tricking with you, so it is giving a new heading called as performance max, where what it does is it just makes a combination of all of this. So it's basically making your website to show up on display, as well as naming it as performance max campaign. Okay, so performance max word is misleading. There is no performance maximum, there is nothing as such. Okay, they are just telling that you will be displayed across multiple platforms. If you are pretty clear what kind of ad you should be launching, you go with first four of them. Okay, and if you think the combination of all of this are also going to be useful, you can go with the performance max as well. Okay, so in today's class we are going to discuss, are you all following me?
Yeah. And can you see the last campaign? What is it? The
What's happening with the
slide,
last
like what
campaign,
is it?
video campaign? No, we haven't enabled the video campaign, because that was the
Yeah, yeah.
irrelevant content. We just paused it. Nothing is happening with it. So when we have the actual video launched, I have shown you the preview. Okay, yeah. Okay, so now just again pick this website traffic, and proceed with this option. And here you see a performance max. We have already launched search, display, shopping, video. So performance max and demand generation are tricky words used by Google, which again comprises some of these targetings or the ad types. Okay, so click on the performance max. So if you're linking it with the merchant center, just select your merchant center. and website traffic performance max 4. I'll name it whatever I want. I'll just put it as test and just continue. See, performance max basically it's displaying your ads across display network, across Google search partners, and Gmail and various other platforms. You will get to see where and all it's going to display by end of this campaign. Once we are ready with, what do you want to focus on, conversions or conversion values? Oh my God, one second. Can you all hear me? You how to calculate the return on ad spend as well. RO, it's called as ROAS, return on ad spend.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it's taking more time to load. Yeah. See, if you are picking conversion value, you are basically instructing this campaign that I'm going to spend 100 rupees per sale and I'm expecting 1000 rupees. You can put it in the form of percentage. If you are expecting 1000 rupees, see your target ROAS is the average conversion value you would like to get for each dollar you spend on ads. I'll show it to you. Example, for example, if your goal is to get an average of $5 in sale for each $1 you spend on ad, your target ROAS is 500 percentage. So if you are spending 100 rupees and if you're expecting 1000 rupees, then the RO target ROAS is 1000 percentage. How do you calculate target ROAS? Let me walk you again. So target ROAS is the total revenue. So is the average conversion ROAS is return on ad spend. So I am instructing to this campaign, I'm picking an option called conversion value. What is the conversion value? After conversion is nothing but a sale. What is the sale value I'm expecting? I'm expecting 1000 rupees to be coming from the sale. Okay. So your target ROAS will be 1000 percentage. So now what is the cost incurred? So now what this setting makes is, so it might consume. So if your average ticket price is, let's say 5000 rupees, your average ticket price is 5000 rupees. If anybody purchases any product on your website, if it is 5000 rupees, so this option of setting 1000% ROAS would spend 2500 rupees in acquiring a customer or 5000 rupees in acquiring a customer. Sorry, 500 rupees, not 5000 rupees, 500 rupees. That's when it's a 1000% ROAS. So let's say for every sale you are making 10,000 rupees. So 10,000 rupees. When you set when you set 1000% ROAS, your total spend can go up to 1000 rupees. 1000 percentage of 10,000 rupees is, sorry, the return on ad spend. So if you are investing 1000 rupees and if you are making 10,000 rupees, that is 1000% ROAS. ROAS, return on ad spend, is always calculated as total revenue made divided by the total spend into percentage, 100 percentage. Total revenue made is 10,000 rupees and spend is 1000 rupees into 100 percentage. That's going to be 1000 percentage ROAS. In case if you had set here as 500 rupees, 500% ROAS. So this indicates my product price is 5000 rupees only and I'm expecting, so, so, sorry, not 5000 rupees, whatsoever it is. So now when you put ROAS as 500 rupees and even for your 10,000 rupees worth product, it might spend up to 2000 rupees. It will go up. So if you are spending 1 second, everybody. 1 second, everybody. Hello. Yeah, Nisha. No, 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 not. See, I'm not at office today. I'm just came home and you can join online if you have an offer. Yeah, yeah. Usually it used to be offline. Today I was not well, so I came home and I'm taking class. If you have a laptop, please join online. From okay, okay, then we'll. I'm sorry, I could have let you know. I was not well, so I just came. But it's happening online. Monday again. So it's happening online now. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Same time. Yeah. Sorry. Okay. Sorry for that. Okay. So, see, target ROAS is you are ready to spend any amount, even it could be 10,000. But what you are instructing to Google is, I want to make 1000% ROAS. 1000% is nothing but 10 times. If you are spending 10,000 rupees, 10 times ROAS is 1 lakh rupees. If you are spending 1000 rupees and 10 times ROAS is 10,000 rupees. If you are spending, if you are spending 100 rupees and 10 times ROAS is 1000 rupees. Is it clear, guys? Anybody has confusion here? It's simple. You are simply telling to Google that I will give you 100 rupees and give me 10 times more returns. So that is return on the ad spend. They are simply, instead of times, I told 10 times, here it is called as return on ad spend, which is measured in terms of percentage. So instead of 10 times of 100 rupees will be 1000, but here we are speaking in terms of percentage. Okay. So we are speaking in terms of percentage. I'm telling I want 1000% more return on ad spend. Is it clear, or you have any confusions with this? Not clear? Okay, let me pick this option, conversions. So set a target cost per. So if you are looking for conversions, you can achieve any number of conversions, and you have to tell how much are you ready to spend per conversion. 100 rupees or 200 rupees or 1000 rupees, whatsoever it is. Okay, just select this and click on next. Yeah, I'm targeting India or maybe any location of my choice. Automatically create assets, more settings, just click next. Yeah, so asset generation, you are providing a URL of your website, and you are using the artificial intelligence which was not available earlier. Using this artificial intelligence, you can generate the ad content. Okay, so maybe it's loading. Yeah, so you have just provided, you can skip this option, you can do everything manually, or you can use artificial intelligence and you can generate the ad copies for your account. Let's try it out. Generate assets. So asset group 1, let it be as it is. And since this is a Google shopping campaign, I'm including all of the products. Now look at this. This is automatically going to generate, right? What else? Discovery. Discovery is again like Play Store, Google Play Store, or various other search partners like Google Maps, right? So this is how you will see the ad on YouTube. It's loading. Yeah, let me show it to you. Okay, we have to upload some images in order to see the images. But below that, you see shop online at best prices. Yeah. So now you can change this to YouTube. This is how it looks on YouTube. Let's see if we can upload some images. Select all. Yeah, this is how it looks. Snack Foods, Kandra Foods is one stop online store for all your Indian food needs. Business name, we haven't updated. Business name, Kandra Foods. Lot many things. Videos, you can upload up to 5 videos. See, you see the business name now. Kandra Foods, herbs and spices. So, site links. So if it is on Google Shopping, it looks something like this. Basically, this is a combination of multiple ad types displayed on some other websites. It would look something like this. Yeah, this is on display network. It would look something like this. See, you have to provide lot many other details. Like if you are providing a video, this video would run on YouTube, because some certain based on certain kinds of terms, it's not allowed to. It's not eligible. It's showing it's not eligible, but we'll see. Yeah, this is how it shows on display network. So Gmail, when you open the mail, it shows like this, and when it is closed, when you haven't opened the email still, it's in your inbox. It shows something like this. You see here, it shows something like this. Herbal products, Canada Foods offers a wide variety of traditional food, something like that. Yeah. So once you have all of them, just you have to see in site links. You all know already in the previous campaigns we have added the site links in the search campaign. You can click on this and you can simply adapt asset library, and you can pick some of the site links like this and save. You can add more site links as well. Call to action, call to action, automated based. It might shift between all of these things. Shop now, and it starts showing shop now only everywhere. See, if it is a search ad, it looks something like this. Shop online at best prices, Indian food store, best prices. So it looks something like this if it's a search ad. So Performance Max is a combination of this display, Gmail, right? Search, shopping, and discover everything. Yeah, did you all get that? Okay, you just have to click next. It's asking for the budget, just go with that budget or change it to whatever you want. I'm not stressing much on this. Just click on next. Your campaign is ready to, almost ready to publish. But then there is some issue with certain things. Budget summary. Audience, no signals provided. We haven't selected the audience. One, at least one logo is missing here. In this asset group, we haven't added logo. Let's add logo. So if you have missed out on anything, it will show it to you like this. You have missed out on something, and it's quite easy to launch these kinds of campaigns. I click on plus logos. Yeah, asset group is now no issue. So it is all quite interesting. So if you could spare some time and do it all by yourself, you will find it quite interesting. Okay, see, audience, we haven't added any audiences, so I'll pick one of the existing audience group. Maybe I'll pick it here in the audience stage, audience signal. So I have lots of audiences. So I'm picking all website users, all visitors, shopping cart. See, if people have went up to shopping cart but have not purchased, you can pick only those people and you can show ads to those people. All converters, all users of Kandra Foods, all visitors. You can pick anything that you want and show ads to those people. Yeah, just click next. Next. Yeah. So you just have to publish this campaign. And it's all done now. Your ads will start showing up on Google search, YouTube, Google Shopping, Gmail, display. To whom it's going to show? It's going to show ads to people whomsoever have interacted with the business previously. That's what the audience group that we have picked now. Okay, is that clear, everybody?
Yes.
So again, I'll just go to the campaigns and I'll pause this. Yeah, we have launched this one just now. Okay, so again, you can see what's happening with your previously launched campaigns. And this is yesterday's information. Yesterday's spend was 171 rupees. And if you see today it has consumed somewhere around 160 rupees, 74 clicks to the website, 2252 impressions. See, the highest cost incurred or spend is happening with mango pickle, 96 rupees. So maybe we can minimize the spend here. It's not really necessary to minimize. Some campaigns would do good with lesser competition. Maybe we'll try to reduce the CPC here. So maximum CPC is 3. That's why it's doing very good. It's consuming more. Okay. See, Google Ads tool is an amazing platform to run various kinds of ads, and and this is super useful If you have to see now today, we got business inquiry, sorry, not inquiry, sale from this campaign, sale from this campaign, sale from this campaign, right? Your overall spend is 150 rupees, and now think of the revenue this 150 rupees would have got to you. It could be several hundreds or thousands. So if it is all optimized with more further focus on all of this, you would see a lot more outcome. For every maybe for 50 rupees you might get a 500 or 1000 rupees worth of sale. Let's take it as 1000 rupees. For every 100 rupees, 1000 rupees. For 10,000 rupees, you'll be making 1 lakh rupee sales. If you are spending 10 lakhs, you will be making 1 crore worth of sales. Correct? Growing the business can be that simple if you can launch a very effective campaign and if you can ensure the campaigns are performing to their best. Okay, so next highest spend is this one 52. Cost per click is 1.79. Since we had kept 3 rupees, it has consumed 2.61, and others are all 1.5, 1.3. Is it clear, guys? Everybody? So the final last campaign type left is lead generation, which was not there, and recently Google has introduced it. It's again something similar to your performance max, but lead generation would pick again the combination of display and search, or maybe something else like that. I'll show it to you. Just pick lead generation, drive demand and conversions on YouTube, Discover, and Gmail with image and video ads. This is mainly about image and video ads. Discover Gmail. Discover is Google Play Store, Google Maps, uh, and display network. So basically ads here, shop performance max includes your search, shopping, Gmail, YouTube, display, everything. Here it is YouTube and display mainly, and then along with it includes Gmail, but no search. It's basically excluding the search, that's all, and everything else remains same, and everything else remains same. See, Google is tricking. Tomorrow they might fill in these two more spaces and give a new name, and they might make combination of this and this, or maybe something else, just to trick you. And just they will give a new name. When you click on it again, it will be the same, this, or maybe this, or maybe this, one of them. Okay, and now coming back, I wanted to show few more options here. So new campaign. See, look at this. The demand generation is there, right? So now you click on local store visits and promotions. It's the same thing that would take performance max or different demand generation. Look at this. The moment I selected, it's automatically selecting sorry, performance max. It's just fooling you or tricking you. You see, you as a local business owner think that this is going to give you lots of mileage for local businesses, and you will pick this, and automatically it launches performance max. Anyways, you would have picked website traffic, and you would have still gone with performance max. Are you all getting it? You would have picked website traffic, and you'd have simply picked performance max. Correct? So Google is tricking you using different words. They all mean the same, and now same way, awareness and consideration. Look at this. What is it showing? Awareness, display, video, and demand generation. There's no difference. App promotion, this is mainly about the search partners. So select a campaign type, app, drive downloads and grow engagement. So this is going to show on Google Play Store. Okay, okay, it's done. Yeah, when you opt for app promotion, so basically app installations, app engagement, app pre-registrations, Android only. Select your mobile app platforms, Android or iOS, enter the app name, package name, publisher or Play Store URL. So whenever you have an app, you will have the URL for the app on the Play Store or the App Store. You have to submit that URL. It's quite easy to launch though. Okay, so just that we don't have any app to promote now. Okay, get new people to install your app. You must have seen it on the App Store or Play Store. There will be an app shown in the top. You search for Swiggy. Swiggy shows two times. One is organic and one is paid. The paid one is launched from this option. That's all. Same way leads. When you pick leads, it's showing all other options to you. Just click on the continue. Just that it would ask you for to pick the goal compulsorily. See, it's showing the same thing. Sales, same thing. You just click on continue and it will display the same thing again to you. You pick on sales and it again displays the same thing. See, look at this. Is there any change? See, basically they are trying to trick with all of these terms. They're giving you an impression that they're going to get sales, leads, or website traffic. This three obviously gets you the sales. It was only traffic, it was always conversions and the website traffic, not these many options earlier. Create a campaign without a guidance goal. See, now it's the same thing. App, smart, demand generation. Additionally, what has come in here, reach customers with a one-stop solution built for small businesses. This is again combination of some of them. What happens with smart? It again smartly bids across multiple platforms. Their main goal is to make you to spend. So, see, smart campaigns is you don't have to do anything. You don't have to do anything. See, smart campaigns are usually for people who don't know anything about Google Ads. They just tell that through smart campaign option. They just tell the Google, I don't know anything. I have no clue what's happening. So Google just picks the option. Sorry, Google just asks. Google just takes care of everything by itself. You don't have to create an ad copy. You don't have to input the keyword. You don't have to do anything at all. You just have to pick the smart campaign option. You just have to pick the usual some settings. That's all. You just have to tell them that I'm going with the smart campaign, and everything will be taken care by Google itself, which are basically for the beginners who doesn't know anything. Google only does some optimizations and get some traffic to the business. That is the smart campaign. Okay, so this account is not a smart campaign. That account name itself is called as a smart campaign. That's why they were showing pick the option. So when I click on this option, it's showing switch to an expert mode. So what was that option? Create a campaign without a goal or guidance. A smart campaign reach customers with a one-stop solution built for small businesses. Small businesses, lot of this small businesses, they will not have much budget also. They will spend at just 2,000, 3,000 a month. They will input that 2,000, 3,000, and they will select this option and they will just leave it. That's all. So I don't want to do this with this account. This account might switch to smart campaign, and switching from smart campaign to again the expert level campaign might take a lot of effort. So I don't want to do that. So anybody who is signing up, you can use one of the email ID and you can sign up, and it simply says it's a smart campaign and you can go with it. You don't have to learn this or know about this when you are learning all of these options at an expert level. Is that clear, guys? Everybody?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so and it's all now you all have to practice. How many of you have signed up an account, Google Ads account? You don't have to pay anything to Google Ads to get started. Just ads.google.com and you can start with an account. How many of you have done, or how many of you don't have time to do that? How many of you don't have time to do that? See, I don't know if you are going to watch these recorded sessions or not. Anyways, if you're watching them, they are going to be super useful when you start implementing at the desk or when you have to prepare for the interviews. At this moment, if you're not immediately resonating by creating an ad account by yourself, it's a bit difficult to store the data in your mind. You will lose it out. If you immediately start signing up an account and start doing something whatsoever is possible from your end and an odd account, you will be able to learn a lot more. Okay, but anyways, that's not a big deal. It's all very simple. Just you have to be very tricky, very smart. That's all. The platform usage is very simple. It's as simple as you exploring the options of your Android phone or iOS phone. There are a lot many options to explore and understand, right? Still nobody taught you how to change the wallpaper or how to set up the WhatsApp or how to do some other features or setting changes on your mobile phone. You all learned it all by yourself. So exactly this is something like that. Especially so for people who have deeper understanding or insights on marketing knowledge, then this becomes super simple. Just the settings knowledge is needed. So if people have not acquired that marketing knowledge in the first 2 3 months, whatever we have discussed, all that was mostly about the marketing aspects. Like we were trying to understand selling elements, marketing elements, how to put it across effectively to the user, what is a CTR trigger, right? So all that is marketing knowledge. How to create an engagement, right? How to improve the conversions on the website. So if you are well versed with all of them, using this tool is simple. Okay. So if it's clear for all of you, we can wind it up for today. If anybody has questions, please go ahead and ask. If there are no questions, we will resume this the next class again, the ads part. If anything is left on the ads parts, so I have to walk you all through the complete ad account features, the Google Ads complete features. So far we have learned the different types of campaigns that can be launched using this platform or tool, and now lot many options are there and we have to explore all of those options or features on the platform and how to make use of them in your marketing implementations. We have to understand all of these things. Yeah, can we wind it up for
Sure.
today?
So I think today's campaign also we didn't made it live now.
We made it
We
live, but I paused it.
correct,
Okay,
correct.
so now in the class what happens is, see, now to launch this campaign I have to come up with the appropriate titles and descriptions,
Right.
which I haven't done. So I just used AI to write the titles and descriptions. I have just went with them, which I don't like, which may not be appropriate or as expected. After on top of what AI has given, we have to edit them, improvise them. See, you can launch it as it is and you can start straight away. But for me, when there is an option to improvise it, I want to improvise it and I want to enable it. So what I'll be doing is, after this class, at my convenience, our team would launch a campaign with all of them. They ensure, they cross check, they make sure that they are all perfect. The titles, descriptions, everything as expected. So there will be a plan, upfront plan. So the purpose, deciding the purpose of launching such campaign and to whom we should be launching such campaign, why we should be launching such campaign. We brainstorm these kinds of things. We decide to launch a performance maximum campaign or we might not launch. If we decide to launch, the strategy again next, which all products have to be displayed, to who all has to be displayed. It gives you extreme level of control where you can show ads to people whomsoever have searched on Google XYZ. So if you would like to show ads to people who all have typed digital marketing training on Google, you can show ads about digital marketing services only to those people. If people have ever interacted with your website, you can show ads to them wherever they go. If people are watching the tutorial related to digital marketing or understanding what is digital marketing or learning digital marketing on YouTube, we can show ads on YouTube. Why struggle so much learning digital marketing? You can simply register at Canara Digital and learn it very easily and quickly. So you can customize and present ads to the right audiences, and you can reap maximum outcome from such kind of marketing campaigns. Okay, I'll walk you all through the already which we have launched. Okay, or maybe we will launch the campaigns whichever we have to practice again. Okay, if you're not clear, but you will understand that only when there is a necessity for you, if you're clear with it or not, or at least when you start launching a campaign by yourself. See, that's all. You see, skip ads while watching the movies on YouTube. You will skip, right? That those kinds of ads are executed through this account. And if you could do, you can pitch yourself, okay, as a performance marketer or a freelance digital marketer, and you can do such kinds of ads for various businesses, and you can charge them. You're learning the skill now, and you have to monetize this skill. See, I know the skill of training, and I'm monetizing the skill. Correct, everybody? So
Yeah.
same way, so when you learn a skill,
Yeah.
you should start monetizing it. Okay. See, that's the purpose. Skills will enable you to earn. So, and long back we had discussed how to get the projects. You all remember, after learning the WordPress website development, I had showed to you all of you how to bid and how to get the projects. Now you know WordPress website development. Basically, simply call it as website development skill. You know SEO. You know performance marketing. Correct? You can create a profile, tell on the platform that you are a digital marketer or a website developer, and you can take up the projects. See, a website can be quickly built in just 30 minutes. We are doing that. And even if you're charging 10,000 rupees for that website, 30 minutes you are earning 10,000 rupees. Correct? So, anyways, we will discuss that how to make money from these skills. Once again, we'll brainstorm whatever we had discussed in the past. You'll be able to relate better now. Okay? Okay. So, yeah, can we wind it up for today?
Okay. Yeah. Sure.
Yeah, thank you everyone.
Okay.
Bye. Bye. Happy weekend to
Bye.
all of you.
Bye. Thank you. Thank you. Good night, all.
Good night all.